Check out this cool trick to use open strings to write some songs. We're going to be right here in E. Simple E chord. Now, the next chord is basically like an F sharp minor, but instead of barring it, we're just going to use, keep that open 6th string, keep the open, what else? 1st and 2nd string as well. And so we're just going to be right here, 2nd fret, and then 4th and 4th fret right here. Essentially, that's an F sharp minor, but we're just going to use those open strings. And then the next chord we were doing is just basically a G sharp minor, but again, instead of barring it, we're just going to keep that open 6th, 1st, and 2nd strings ringing, and then just come up with a strum pattern. This can be used for all kinds of songs, and if you wanted to take the chords all the way up, you could as well, to give you some more possibilities. All right, appreciate you being here. If you like what you're seeing here, leave a comment, like this video, and check out our online courses and memberships over at rocklikethepros.com.